Hello, welcome to round 3 of Irresponsible Science. Today we're gonna make fireworks in a jar. Kind of. Let me show you what you'll need. You will need vegetable oil. You will need food coloring. You will need an empty glass or cup, doesn't matter which, I have a cup. You will need a jar, an empty, clean jar, plastic or glass, doesn't matter, but if it's glass, definitely make sure you have a parent or somebody responsible looking out for you, just in case. You will need a mostly full cup of lukewarm water. There's water in this cup, I'm not going to pour it out, you just have to take my word for it. You will need a tablespoon. And lastly, you will need something to stir with. I have a plastic fork, but you can use literally whatever. Your finger, butter knife, the cat. Don't use the cat, don't really do that. Anyway, so what we're gonna start by doing is taking our lukewarm water and pouring it into our empty jar about 3/4 of the way up. A little more than half, not quite all the way. We're going to set that aside for the moment. Next, we're going to take our empty glass and our vegetable oil, and we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 3.5. Put a little bit back in there for later. Have a snack. About 3 to 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then you can take any colors, food coloring that you want. I just have the old standards here. I've got green, yellow, and red. For yellow, I'm going to take and do about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops. Did I say red? I meant yellow. Did I say yellow? It's been a long day, guys.
What's the difference?
That's yellow. This is red. We'll do about 1, 2, 3 drops of red. And just a couple of drops of green. We're going to take not our cat, our plastic fork, and stir the food coloring up really well in the vegetable oil. And I'll be honest with you, that's kind of a neat little experiment in and of itself. It looks kind of, can you guys see that? Little droplets in there? It's pretty sweet. Anyway, so the last thing that we're gonna do, and this is kind of a quick experiment, so it's gonna be kind of a short video, guys. But, and Eli, this is what I'm gonna want you to really zoom in here, okay?
Gotcha.
We're gonna take our cup full of oil and food coloring and pour it into our jar of water, and then we're gonna wait and watch the results. The wait is the hardest part. You can start to see it happening. You guys see it? So what's happening is the oil is heavier than the water, so it's all staying up at the top. But the food coloring is falling through the oil into the water, and it's literally exploding into the water. And so it's not quite as spectacular as, you know, your 4th of July fireworks in the sky, but it's still a pretty cool effect. And you can kind of play around with this. Like, you can try different degrees of water and oil ratios. Or you could try different kinds of oil. Like, I used vegetable oil, but you could try olive oil and see if that makes a difference. You could try, I don't know, you could try clear soda like Sprite instead of water and see if that makes a difference. You could try different colors and see what kind of reactions you get. The point is just to have fun with it and to make a little bit of a mess, but not too big of a mess. And always remember to ask for your parents' help. if they're willing to give it. And as always, everybody, stay safe, stay healthy, stay messy. We'll see you next time.